Yes, my viewers, as you can see right now, the engineer is here. He wants to lose the door. What you are seeing is the handle, what is holding the door. Engineer, you can go ahead. You can tap with something for your hammer and tap it. Alright.
For installation and services, all kinds of
as you can see, the screws are coming out gradually.
TG roller.
You're still on that. When you watch the video right now, the screws are coming out. Okay, let's go over to the other one. Alright, this is the second one. Each diffuser has 2 carriers. Spray that stuff, that thing is still rusted. Be fast, just be going. He's trying to spray a W12.
Welcome to TG Roller. We are the best in the game. You are welcome to TG Roller. We are the best in the game. We render high quality services because we are the best in the game.
Try your first. Try.
We are the best in the game for your basic
Yeah, as you can see, my viewers, the engineer right here is losing the doors. These are the screws that is holding the doors. When you watch it closely, he's still on it. He's still making with a screwdriver, as you can see for yourself. Okay.
installation and services, all kinds of air conditioning.
Alright, what is remaining right now? You have to cut this wire. Cut your wire. Or check if you can lose it from this bit. Or is it possible? Alright, he's trying to disconnect the door lights. Every diffuser has a door light. Okay, better. As you can see, he's trying to disconnect it from the clip. Alright. So this other screw, make sure you keep it very well. Okay, as you can see right here, it's about moving the door. Alright, when you watch here, this other one is out. Alright, can you show your viewers about the door? Turn it very well. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, the door is out. As you can see, this is Engineer Bright, the young man that you saw losing the door. But as you can see right now, the door is out. I want you guys to see for yourself. Turn it the other way around. Alright, turn it. So my viewers, when you look it very well now, you can see that the door is out. Remove it, let's video the inside. So my viewers, when you want this fridge from this place, it has no door anymore. Because we have pushed out the door. Don't forget, the reason why we are doing this video is for you to know how to open and deep freezer for repiping, to get it ready. What is remaining so far here now is for us to remove this aluminium. In no distant time now, this aluminium will be out. Alright, the main tools you are going to use in removing this aluminium right now is for them to get the cutter. When they cut it from this place, cut it to this end, and they will cut it round this way. They will cut it round this way. The reason of cutting it is that whenever you remove this aluminium, you can also do what? To use it in this same fridge. Alright, stay tuned and see how it goes. Alright my viewers, as you can see right now, the engineer is now cutting the dam. Alright, he's on it. As you can see, he's doing that gradually. And whenever you are doing that, make sure you do it very easily. You need to be very careful for you not to damage the aluminium. Alright, as you can see, it's still on the cotton. This is the remaining part of it, the upside. Alright, that is very good. My viewers, he's done with that. The next thing now is for him to lose out the divider here, lose it out. This is what is holding the dividing. In any deep freezer, there must be a divide. You must see a dividance that will be inside the fridge. That will be like a demarcation. Alright, remaining this other side. Alright, my viewers, the other thing we have to do right now is to remove this rubber. After removing this rubber, that's the next section. Let's go. You can start for that. Watch it very carefully. You don't have to break these rubbers because you can still use it to cover it again.
We are the best in the game for business.
Yes, my viewers, he's trying to open the top cover so that it can enable him to remove it entirely.
Installation and services, all kinds of air conditioning. Roller. We are the best in the game for repairs and spare parts. all the kinds of refrigerators. We are the best in the game. TG Roland, our high quality service. Now we the one.